Jeff, can I enter?
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Hi.
Jeff?
No, my name is Dino.
Okay.
Yeah. Jeff.
I'm just taking this just so we have confirmation so there's no discrepancy again, okay?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, Isa, come in. Thank you, Dima.
How you doing?
Good. Ah, surprise. C'est ça?
كلشي فخر לצאת. ברור. כלב נובח לא משיח. הפוך נראה לי. הפוך אבא.
No.
Або що?
Другое место сделать уже, потому что он же вырвал его.
It was pulled. Okay.
ripped off? אבא תזיז את זה? שיראה שזה was ripped off.
It's okay. No need.
No evidence.
It's not gonna go away.
No, that it was ripped.
Уже маленькая эта вот отвертка.
Малика, maybe a full.
Магера решена.
Мигина решена?
Кен. У нас отход. И молоточек там возьми в этом в четвертом игре. Слушай,
Yeah.
засними заодно этот холодильник. Все.
No.
А? Кен? Бадом? Ну, молоток в последнем игре.
Is that?
Кен.
Perfect.
Туда.
Okay.
צילמתי את זה ש- it was ripped off out of the ceiling.
I'll just send the receipt as well and that's it.
Tomorrow they come in and we're gonna give him the receipt and then they're gonna have the proof that it was ripped off.
Okay, enough. Take it.
Шана,
Yeah.
поставь мне этот второй тоже, эти $25 мне не сделают погоду. Она сказала поставить еще один.
Yeah.
Поставьте два.
סופה, אני אמרתי משהו, נכון? איך היא חזרה לשליטה? Mr. Manuel,
Manuel is upstairs.
should I get it?
Yeah, you have to give it to him. So no will be further accusations. It's on.
А?
It's working. Everybody knows that it's working. It's approved.
Warning, carbon monoxide, monoxide to carbon.
Okay. It's working.
Сделай тоже красиво. Сделай тоже красиво.
Can't go there.
Just a minute. Маленькую цифру взяла вверху, да?
I don't know, check.
Ну,
There's nothing here.
the same as last time.
Okay, выйди.
Мама посмотрела еще что-то дать.
The book.
Окей.
No. He said so. Get back inside. Идем. Конечно, моя. Let's go there. Dima, that's the manual for the alarm. Okay, so if they have any questions or anything else, they can look into it.
And tomorrow somebody gonna come and check. You have to prove it to them that you have it.
Okay, there'll be an inspection tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Thank you.
Get out.
Thanks.
Lock the door.
You finished, Ramon? Let me just email it to you.